You can also combine this mirror project curve script with the two curves truss component. As you can see here, I can define a series of points, which is going to define the base curve. Another point, which is going to define the mirror plane. I can change this to produce different curves. And also another plane, which is an XZ plane, to define a projection. For example, you can see that I can change the projection to make the second curve. You can also use the mirrored result as the second curve. As you can see, I can change the location of the plane, and this is also going to help you to design parametric trusses. You can also use the second example file. As you can see here, I can design another truss here by changing the YZ plane as the mirror plane, and also the XY plane, which is the projection plane. Again, we can use the mirror curve also here to make a mirror curve or the projection. So this script is also going to help you to have more control on designing the curves for the parametric truss. Okay, now let's take a look at the algorithm, how we're going to define the points, the plane which is going to define the mirror, the first mirror, and the second plane which is going to define the projection.